Hello and welcome to our Revit Architecture 2014 Basics series. We've got about approximately 21 videos on this little basics series. Great thing, not too lengthy, about probably 3.5 to 4 hours of video training, and in there we cover a lot of the basics, and we cover the interface and get you started with loading families and drawing a little bit of everything without going too detailed. We have lots of other CADclips series which go into more detail about specific things, and some of them um, less detail, and some of them are used in the older software 2012, 2013, but really haven't changed much. So we're going to build this little cottage building inside of here, and inside of there we're going to have some floor plans. We're going to create a foundation plan with some columns and 3D beams and stuff. Main floor plan, we're going to draw a floor plan, put some dimensions, some nice windows and doors, and get it all properly scaled. Okay. We have a top of plate floor plan, which we don't really put on a sheet, but will be using. Work a little bit with our ceiling plans. We create some 3D camera views, and then we have our normal 3D view that we use to model stuff in. We create some elevations. So we've got some elevation views, and we teach you how you can manipulate those views and set the scale and all that wonderful stuff and draw all this in 3D. We create some sections. We have big building section. We have a couple of sections, and then we add some detailing and stuff, show you how to do some detailing. And then schedules, we create a nice little door schedule, window schedule, and then we place all this stuff on our sheets over here. So we're using our project browser. So nothing extensive, but just enough to kind of show you a little bit about, footings and walls and beams and floor systems and sloped ceilings and roofs and overhangs and stairs and railings and grids and levels and views and categories and all the wonderful things that you can do inside of Revit. So we're going to cover the basics as far as where things are and how things work and how to click and select and turn things on and off. And then after we get kind of the basics under our belt, we're going to start this little cottage project, and then what we'll do is we'll build this from scratch, and we really just start with the basic template file that comes with Revit architecture. So nice little lesson, lots of stuff about loading families and detail components and all kinds of neat little tips and tricks, and also a lot of information on referencing other video series to get more information on stairs or railings or whatever. So we help you to kind of dig a little deeper once you get through this series. This is a nice series to really just to get started.